Hello my sparkles of light, welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys today? Waiting for an answer anytime. I'm just kidding. I think it's been like a month or even longer since I sat here and filmed, so if I'm acting a little awkward and over the top, it's because I'm trying to get used to you again. It's been so long. I missed it. I missed filming. I missed sitting here. I missed chatting with myself. So I don't have anyone in my area that I trust, I guess, doing like my hair, that does like black hair care. So I just, I trust myself and do my hair. I don't do much to it. I do protective styles that I know how to do, which I have another one coming up for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Quick little update. I don't have any more bruising. So I will say that that one IV that had went in this arm, if you guys didn't see that video, my update of the ICU, I'll put it up here for you. It was really bad. If you can see, it looks like a little track mark. Yeah. So there's that. Everything else that's like really bad healed really good. So yes, platelet level, last time it was at 187,000. So that was awesome. It's gone up. And yeah. So anyway, I'm out of breath. I just got back. I went to the store. I got this hair dye, which is Garnier Nutrisse Ultra Color Nourishing Color Cream. This is the indigo color. Super gorgeous because it gives you that like blue black tint. So normally I use 2 boxes. Since I'm just doing my roots, I just needed the 1 box. So I also picked up a mask because look how dry my hair is today. My hair is super dry, as you can see. I got this mask and the Shea Moisture one, because it has Jamaican Black Castor Oil, fair trade shea butter, and peppermint for that stimulating the scalp. So I'm so excited. So my hair is gonna love this. My hair loves this. Have you guys tried this? Does your hair love this? Comment down below if your hair loves this, because look at that. My hair loves this. So we're gonna get into this and get into this and get into this because this is new. You want out, mamas? All right, Siren wants out. There's Siren. I also have a little bit of gray hair coming in. Oh my god, can you guys see that? Look at that right there. Like super cloudy outside. Let me show you. Look how cloudy it is. I'm just like filming from my office right now, but you can see the sky from here, right? Isn't that wild? So it has like me feeling kind of sleepy. But anyway, yeah, I kind of have dark circles. Also, I only have on concealer today because I just ran out real quick to the store. All right. Oh, look at it. It looks pretty thick. We're gonna test this out too. All right, let's go. I'm crazy. Hair dye shirt on. Let's get mixing in the ingredients. Here's the ingredients. This one came with the fruit oil ampoule, supposed to make the hair color last longer and more vibrant. All of the ingredients are labeled A to D. Next, I'll take the Nourishing Color Cream and mix it into the Creme developer bottle. Following the instructions on the tube, I will use the cap to puncture the seal. Squeeze the entire tube into the Creme developer bottle. Now it's time to take the fruit oil ampoule, adding it to the Creme developer bottle as the final ingredient. You want to make sure your hair is completely detangled before adding the color. Yeah, I broke a nail. Now it's time to add the color. Starting at the top of my head, I apply it only to my new growth. I'm going to do that even towards the back. Alright, so now you want to take a rat tooth comb to part your hair and saturate each section of new growth with color. Alright, so now that this section is done, I just twist it up in a little Bantu knot to keep it out the way, and just making sure that my edges are covered with the hair color. So now that that side is complete, it's time to complete the steps on the other side. So if you made a mess like me, you can take a soapy damp cloth to clean up your edges. Oh, this is a touch up for the whole head. I just did the root. So I'm just gonna set the timer for 25 minutes. All right, so as you can see, the hair dye is fully saturated. Little snacky snack while I wait. So while I'm making this snackety snack, tofu, mushroom, spinach, and a potato with a side of toasty. Adding some Louisiana to top it off, or else it just wouldn't be right. Delicious. Alright guys, I just finished my snack. It's been about 35 minutes now, so I think I'm good to wash it out. Yeah, because it's like dry now, like on top. So I'm gonna wash this out. When I get out of the shower, I'll show you guys how I put on the hair mask. So they have this after color mask that came in the box, you know. I'm gonna put this on first still. While I'm in the shower, I'll leave it on for like 3 minutes. All right, so here's my hair fresh out of the shower, and yeah, it feels really clean. Just the mask from the hair dye. It feels really good. It feels really soft. As you can see, my edges still have a little bit of dye on them. So just gonna take the damp cloth like I did last time, and that pretty much takes care of it. All right, so now I'm going to put on the hair mask, completely saturating my hair. Let's see how it's not really like coated yet. I just try to cover all of it. So now I just added a little bit of water to my hair to help it spread more evenly. So now I'm just going to section it off by putting it into 2-strand twists and then into Bantu knots. Take the opportunity to detangle your hair as you're twisting it down. Now that your hair is fully saturated in the mask, you can use a shower cap or a grocery bag like I have and wrap your hair up. Alright, so I'll leave this mask on for about 45 to 50 minutes. Comment down below if you know who that was. So now it's time to take the Cantu Avocado leave-in conditioner. So this is probably not new to you, but this is new to me because I've never used it. So I wanted to see how my hair loved it or not. Look at that difference there. I'm just gonna keep like absorbing it in. I'll leave a list again of all the products I used in the description box. This came out really good, right? Here it is. I really like this. I do. My hair feels super soft, super nourished, super moisturized. But this leave-in, I love it. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I love you guys so much. Comment down below, like and subscribe if you're not already. Stay meditated, and I'll see you guys soon.